Hello everybody, hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'd like to show you my new build. I built myself a teleprompter. Usually I do my videos in a free speech, as this one as well, without any script. But sometimes, if it's very long text and every single word counts and you do have only a couple of shots to produce your video, or you have a live event or something like that, then maybe a teleprompter can be handy. And I have such a project on hand at the moment, and therefore I thought maybe a teleprompter would be handy for this project. So I had a look on the internet for some cheap teleprompters. I want to give it a try. The cheap one started at 60 euros and the more expensive one a couple of €100, and the ones for television are a couple of €1,000. And just for a little try, I want to have a different option. And then I found some videos about DIY projects for teleprompters using a tablet and a window or a picture frame glass in this case. And some sort of frame to hold it in a 45-degree angle. And I had some fischertechnik laying around and a picture frame, and I thought, let's give it a try. Let's build one myself, and that's the result. I think it's really good. It has a plate at the bottom to hold the smartphone or a tablet for the text, for your script. Then it has a frame to hold the picture frame glass in a 45-degree angle. It has a mount for the smartphone in the back so that you can film and that you have a mount to hold your phone and that you don't need an extra tripod, for example. And some black cloth at the top to stop reflection through the top to the glass and to the lens of your camera, so that you don't have these reflections. And I have to say it works quite good. The only issue I do have is that you have double reflection from your tablet in your picture frame glass, because you have the first reflection from the top side, from the front side, and you have a second reflection from the back side of the glass, so that you do have a double reflection. And that's not so nice, but if you make the font big enough, then it works for me. So but I'm not quite sure how often I will use that, because I think I do like the free speech. It's more dynamic, you can improvise more, and I think you have also better interaction with the camera. But yeah, maybe you have a better opinion on that, so feel free to leave a comment on that in the comment section below. Yeah, if you have questions about this build, also feel free to let them down in the comment section below. And otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Wish you a great time. See you next time. Goodbye.